Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to tell you the story of India's freedom struggle from 1914 to 1947. Today we are free. We can do anything. We have no any foundation. We have no any pressure. But in the past, India was not like that. So today I will tell you how we got freedom. Let's start in 1914. In 1914, First World War started. In this war, Indian people were sent to fight, but they did not want to go there. Still, they had to go. This was very unfair for them. Then, in 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. In South Africa, he had already fought against injustice. When he came to India, he saw the problems of Indian people, and then he introduced the idea of Satyagraha. Satyagraha means truth and non-violence. And then in next year, in 1919, the British passed new rule, that was Rowlatt Act. In this act, Indian people arrest without any conviction and trial. So this rule was also very unfair for them. And in next year, in same year, 13 April 1919, a very major incident happened. That was Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In this massacre, many people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, and then a British officer named General Dyer ordered his officer to open fire, and because of this, many innocent people died, and this made Indian people very angry. And then Mahatma Gandhi started non-cooperation movement in 1920 to 2020. Then in this cooperation, Indian people did boycott, hartal and protest. And then in next year, Mahatma Gandhi once again started another movement, that was civil disobedience movement. In this movement, Mahatma Gandhi broke the rule of salt law, and then Mahatma Gandhi, after breaking this rule, Mahatma Gandhi once again started another movement, that was Quit India movement in 1942. And after that, the British realized that they could no longer rule over India. And finally, in 1947, by the Act of Indian Independence Act 1947, India became free. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.